sunshine. Ayaw ang beach. Tingnan niyo sinukli sa amin ng ate.
Rise and shine.
Dito na yung sundo namin guys. Mag-Soton tour kami today. Ay kuya.
Hello po. Good morning
Good
po.
morning.
Okay.
Kaya yan.
Oo, kami to.
Tama. Mamaya bumalik naman ako eh. Hindi ko lalo.
Sige.
Nadine was here.
Sunny Summer Club, sponsored by Sunny's. Eme!
4-6 na. 4-6 daw.
Kunin mo siya.
Ang diverse na group namin today. Halo-halong nationality. We're from Canada and Canadian Filipino. Joke lang.
But if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. Get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Just give her, you got no hold, not no sliver. All day I keep drinking whiskey straight until I got no liver. Cold like burr, make you shiver. Snatching bitches, leave you bitter. I see what I like, then I just go get her. Lady killer, get familiar, yeah. I respond to what I like. Swear this shit goes down like every other night. Man, I fucking love this life. Put it down and these hoes say they love the pipe. No, I'm not the bring back to your mother type. No, off that whiskey 101 proof. I'm just mixing out with vermouth. She'll be taken if you're aloof. We just fucked on top of that roof. This is real life. These ain't just no raps. I kick in the booth. Everything I say is the truth. Make her disappear just like poof. Then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what the fuck I'm on.
Okay. Eyes to the cam. Ready, one, smile. Wow, delicious. Another one. Ready, one, two. Wow, yummy. Na kami sa inyo as a community tour guide dito sa Soton. So ako po si Romnick. Tapos yung kasama ko po na tour guide si Kuya Asel. Hello, morning. And then yung boat operator naman natin si Kuya Jerry.
Hey, Jerry.
Entrance ng Soton, meron siyang 5 or 6 minutes. Okay? So kung mayroon po kayong katanungan about po sa Soton, mag-down lang kayo sa akin o kay Kuya Asel. Okay? Sige maestro, play the music please.
I'm on the roof. You're in the airplane seat. I was nosebleed, looking for life out there. Reading your horoscope. You were just doing cocaine in my kitchen. You never listen. I hope you're missing me by now.
So yung entrance po ng Soton, makikita po natin sa left side yun po. So kaya po siya tinatawag na Soton kasi it means papasok tayo susunod. So yung words po na Soton dyan po kinuha sa entrance.
Daylight, you got me caught in the daylight. Daylight, you got me caught in the daylight. Daylight, you got me calling at all times. Ain't gonna sleep till the daylight. Out of New York, I'm on the come.
First activity po natin yung tatawag na hagugan po. So pag humawak po kayo ng jellyfish, pagkatapos yung humawak, hugasan lang yung kamay kasi slimy po siya and then para
Please get the picture, cut out my middle. You ain't got time for me.
Okay guys.
Hello guys!
Halika na dito.
Hello guys!
Guys. Guys. Hi guys. Guys.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. Mom, may propelo mom.
Sige po.
Yes. Jay, paliw ba niya, Jay?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, huwag mo ko hilahin!
Oh, welcome to my home.
Okay, guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Hagukan Kid. Guys, welcome to Hagukan Kid.
Guys, look at that, oh, look at that.
Marunong kayo, sir? Sir, marunong kayo?
marunong.
Tanggalin. Tapos sisisig kayo.
Hindi ko makita. Si Kuya ba?
Hi, guys.
Hi guys. Ganda dito.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Welcome to Hagukan Kid.
May iba to dito kuya?
Wala, sir.
Hello.
Hi, guys.
So guys, as you can see, there's a reformation here because it's stalagmite.
Hey. Wait, anay, kadali. Okay na. Hawin na. Sana tayo magkakaunta.
Stop.
Kuya, hindi ako marunong lumangoy ah.
Okay.
Huwag ako bilangan!
Oh, sige. Hi muna dito, ma'am.
Oh my God, nakatalo na ako sa balagoy.
Ayun. Marunong ka ba, sir, swimming? Ah, sige. Go. Kayo muna. Lag ka na.
Yeah, go now! Oh my God! Kuya, pwede ba ito iuwi? Dalawa pala siya.
Oh, maliit. Oh,
Parang garapata.
ito yung jellyfish. Ano? Yes, sir. Ma'am,
Jellyfish, baby.
hawakan mo.
Oh my God.
Hawakan mo.
Something I wanted to feel. If you've been waiting for falling in love, baby, you don't have to wait on me. 'Cause I've been aiming for heaven above, but an angel.
Kita sa vlog. Venomous po yan.
Hawili yung gusto.
Sa iba.
Baka na.
Hawili.
Peanut flavor.
Hindi pa totoo. Yung Club Tara ay shala na
Shala?
hotel.
Oh? Anong gagawin natin dun?
Swimming siguro.
Ooh. Guys, we're here at Lagoon Tiktikan. Mga madaming tiktik. Ay, hindi ba ganda natin? Tawa si ate.
Ikaw kasi Tagalog ka eh. Hi! Ah!
I don't mind letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, but just wait a while. And like the big fish in the pond, no more. You were what they're feeding on. So what are you gonna do when the world don't
mamaya ka na ano?
你告诉我哪个角度好看，然后我定制。
Ano sabi mo?
Secret 这样吗？
Barbie wanna party like all night. And she looking like a zombie in her all fights. Yeah, she looking for a handout. She think she and me, she in a band now. Pull up in the truck, back it up like a limousine. Looking like a blast from the past, look like a legend. And you're the only Tennessee. And I hope you like Hennessy. And why aren't you into me? You only call me on the weekend. You only love me when we're freaking. You got me jumping off the deep end. You only call me on the. You only call me on the. You only call me on the weekend. Wait a minute, we was just getting started.
Pupunta pa lang kami Katangnan. Ano daw? Punta pa lang kami Katangnan. Kaya namabot kami sa sunset. Tapos bad news. Nag-chat yung tour guide namin dapat bukas sa Corridor Island tsaka Mount On kaso nag-cancel last minute. So, tingnan natin kung saan kami pupunta bukas. Saan tayo bukas?
Kuya Katangnan.
Yes. Aqua Beach. Bakit? Oh, gabi pa ako guys.
I touched that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do? I'm not. Long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Gusto kong matry yan.
Snooze and miss the moment. You were just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You were just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Dandan na. Parang porn. Zoom ba?
Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I?